This How to 1 Minute will show you how to set up a newsletter on your Wix website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to add a newsletter on your Wix website. Once you are in your Wix website editor, click on this Add Elements icon. And here, hover over on Interactive. And you will get here the Lightbox section. I'm selecting here Subscribe and scrolling down. And selecting this box. And as you can see, a newsletter box has been added. It's time to customize it. So you can select any text and you can edit it easily from here. You can edit the text from here. And then select the light box and click on settings. You can change the light box name from here. Automatically display light box on page. I'm selecting here yes. And which pages is it on? I'm selecting home page. You can change the delay time from here. How does Lightbox close? You can enable X icon or close button. And make sure to click on save, and that's how you can add a newsletter on Wix website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.